talk about how to find the nth term of the given arithmetic sequence. And to find the nth term of the arithmetic sequence, we have to use this formula. We have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d, where a sub n is our nth term, a sub 1 is our first term, n is the number of terms, minus 1 here is constant, then d is our common difference. Let us try this given problem. So find the ninth term of the arithmetic sequence 5, 7, 9, 11, and so forth. Now, because we are looking for the ninth term, we're going to write a sub 9 is equal to, our first term is 5 plus, and the number of terms is 9 minus 1 times the common difference. What is the common difference? So we can find the common difference by subtracting the preceding term from the succeeding term. So 11 minus 9 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. Therefore, our common difference is 2. So let us solve the given problem. So we have 5 plus 9 minus 1 is 8 times 2. So we have 5 plus 8 times 2 is 16. So 5 plus 16 is 21. Therefore, the ninth term of the given sequence 5, 7, 9, 11 is 21. Let's have another problem. Find the 15th term of the arithmetic sequence 12, 9, 6, 3, and so forth. So let us solve the given problem. So we are looking for the 15th term, therefore our nth term is a sub 15 is equal to, our first term given is 12 plus, so n is 15 because we are looking for the 15th term, minus 1 times d. So what is our common difference? By inspection, you will see that the common difference is 3. But here, the given sequence is in decreasing order, meaning from the highest term to the lowest term. Therefore, our common difference here is a negative number. So we have negative 3. So we have 12 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 times negative 3. So we have 12 plus 14 times negative 3. Applying the rule in multiplication of integers, when we multiply a positive number by a negative number, the product is a negative number. Therefore, 14 times negative 3 is negative 42. Then 12 plus negative 42, applying the addition of integers. When we add a positive and a negative number, we simply find the difference of these two numbers. So the difference is 30. And how about the sign? The sign of the answer followed the sign of the number with the greater value. So 42 is greater than 12, therefore we follow the negative sign. Therefore, our answer is negative 30. Therefore, the 15th term in this given arithmetic sequence 12, 9, 6, 3 is negative 30.